In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how can you fix Twitter or X age verification error. Let's get started. First, launch your X app. Now click on the profile icon given at the top left. Navigate to the option Profile. Once you're in this page, click on the option Edit Profile. Now over here, you're going to find this option Birth Date. Click on that option. Now you can change it. But this can only be changed a few times. Make sure you enter the age of the person using the account. Click on Continue. Now, select the year, likewise day and the month. Once you do that, click on the option Continue. Make sure you set your age above 18 years. With that, your age verification error will be fixed. Likewise, you'll need to customize other settings. For that, you'll need to launch your preferred browser, navigate to the website X Login, provide your credentials, and log into your account. Once you're over here, click on the profile icon given at the top left. Navigate to the option Settings and Privacy. Click on the option Privacy and Safety. Click on the option Content You See. Uncheck for the option Display Media that may contain sensitive content. Likewise, click on the option Source Settings. Check in for the option Hide Sensitive Content. Following these steps, your problem will be fixed. And that's a wrap for this video. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.